Today, I'm going to walk you through 10 things that you should look out for when you're hands-on with a caravan. Looking at a new caravan can be overwhelming. When you're in a showroom, things can look pretty under lights. Everyone talks about quality, everyone talks about why theirs is better than everyone else's. Start with the basics. Once you get into the showroom, make sure you see, touch and feel. Make sure you look over the caravan, make sure you feel the quality, make sure you touch all of the appliances, cupboards, kitchens. Are the edges of your stainless steel chamfered? Are your drawers soft touch? Do they lock in? Do they come out easily when you're traveling? You're going to be spending 10,000 kilometers on corrugation in this thing. It's basically going to be your home. You need to get in there and make sure that your latches latch, that your drawers close properly, and things feel solid. Next up, what is your van actually made from? Something we get asked quite a lot from the sales side of things. Are our frames aluminium? Are they timber? Is the skin aluminium? Is it fiberglass? Are your floors MDF or are they a composite material? We proudly use a fiberglass honeycomb composite floor, which means your floor isn't going to leak or warp. Our frames are all welded. You got insulation panel through the middle, and your skins internally and externally are bonded to the frame. This is something you need to ask any manufacturer, is how their caravans are built. If they're bonded with a Sikaflex, you know that the walls aren't going to come away from the frame panel. And you got to make sure that the outside of your caravans is aluminium to ensure that it doesn't take damage on those long road trips on corrugation. Any manufacturer that is proud of their units will be happy to tell you exactly the build process that goes into their caravans. The main thing to look at with your electrical systems are your wires rated? Are they neat and tidy inside conduits? Underneath your caravan, any wiring that's run externally, is that in a strike zone from rocks, or is it up and out of the way, protected from the elements, rocks, dirt, water? What brand chargers, what brand fuses are you using? Are your lithium batteries in a compliant box that is externally vented to the outside of the caravan? These are just some things you need to look out for when you're looking at purchasing a new caravan. Clean, organized wiring tells you that the manufacturer cares about their product, and it'll also prevent gremlins further down the track. Not all caravans on the market include everything, with some brands relying very heavily on optional extras. Questions you need to ask yourself and your salesperson when you walk into a showroom. Is the aircon included? Is the battery capacity that is advertised included in the price? Making sure that your solar panels, your power systems, even things such as your washing machine, microwave, fans are all included when you're purchasing a caravan. It'll save you a lot of pain down the road when you're thinking about weights as well as price. Here at MDC, we like to build a caravan that you can hit the road with straight after your handover. The air conditioners, batteries, solar, fans, all of your power system is all included in the advertised price, and it can all be found on our website or in our brochures. Safety should never be an afterthought when buying a caravan for you or your family. Making sure you've got fire extinguishers, electronic stability control, breakaway systems in case of an emergency, but also looking at things such as gas compliance, electrical certification, making sure, if possible, that the caravan you're buying is RV MAP accredited, and also the company has its ISO 9001 certification. You need to look at things such as steps, grab handles, even down to things such as your coupling, your safety chains, and making sure that you can hit the road safely with your family. A caravan is essentially a moving house, and you want every safety box ticked. Underneath the caravan is where you really need to look. Have a look at things like your chassis, your suspension, even your stub axles, making sure that you are buying what you need. Is your suspension leaf, coil or spring? Does it have appropriate safety chains? Are your brake cables and your electrical wiring for your brakes tucked up and out of the way. Make sure you're buying a caravan that best suits your needs. There's no point buying a full off-road caravan if it's only ever going to see the bitumen and a caravan park. These are some questions you need to ask your salesperson when you visit a showroom. Every caravan is essentially a collection of components, from your windows to your walls, your electrical system, diesel heaters and air conditioners. You need to make sure that the manufacturer that you're purchasing from is using quality products. If it looks and feels cheap, it probably means that it is. When you're in a showroom, make sure you ask the salesperson who manufactures the aircon, what brand is the diesel heater, who makes the stability control for their company. Good quality components equal good trips. Don't be afraid to ask your salesperson the hard questions. What's their warranty process like? How long is a warranty on a caravan? How long does it take to get spare parts? Can I get spare parts elsewhere in the country that doesn't have an MDC showroom or service center? Make sure you ask the hard questions in the showroom, and if a salesperson can't answer those questions, it could be a bit of a red flag. When you go into a showroom, make sure you are open and honest with your salesperson. They're going to ask you questions like, what do you plan on using your caravan for? What car do you tow with? Do you need finance? The salesperson isn't trying to get personal and all up in your grill. They are genuinely trying to help you. If you are open and honest with your salesperson, they're going to be able to help you to the best of their abilities. When you're looking for a caravan and you're standing in a showroom, are you comparing apples for apples? Are you looking at a caravan or a camper trailer and comparing it to another manufacturer's caravan or camper trailer? $55,000 with one company is another company's $100,000 caravan. You've got to look at like for like, whether it's luxury on luxury, off-road and off-road, or on-road and on-road. Every caravan looks shiny and new the day you pick it up. The real test comes on the drive home and all of your adventures afterwards. You need to ask about service intervals, availability of parts, what the warranty process is like, how do you get your owner's manual, whether or not you get a service schedule when you pick up your caravan. You need to ask all of those questions when you pick up your caravan. Something else to consider is, do you have a dedicated service center? Does the company have back-to-base warranty, or will they look after you no matter where you are in the country? You need to feel supported in your purchase, because you're not just purchasing a caravan, you're buying into a relationship with a manufacturer. Here's a bonus tip. This is a question that a lot of people forget to ask their salesperson or the company that they're buying from. How long have you been around, and do you do real-world testing? Experience matters. A company with almost 20 years of experience under their belt knows what works and what doesn't. We've been there, we've done everything that you can possibly think of when it comes to testing our caravans and then making changes for the betterment of our customers. A company that's been around for as long as MDC likes to utilize our large customer base and their feedback to improve our products to make it better for everyone in the long run. We know you're going to look at 20 or 30 manufacturers before you make your dream purchase. Some people say that a caravan is the second biggest purchase that a consumer will make after buying their home. You need to make sure you ask the salesperson all of the right questions and let them guide you along your way to purchase a caravan. That we personally have done real-world testing, not just with our staff, not just with our customers, but with people that actually live and breathe the product. We don't just sell caravans, we live in them and we develop them for the betterment of our consumers in the future. If you follow these 10 steps, you will have all of the tools that you need to make sure you are buying the perfect caravan, no matter which MDC dealership you walk into. If you want more tips or want to check out our full range, come and visit one of our 7 showrooms across the country. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.